There's a blueprint to be able to get from $0 to 50K in revenue solely through LinkedIn. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through what it takes. So if you're a coach, consultant, B2B service provider, and you're in a situation where you actually want to get to a point where you can grow and scale in a much more repeatable way, but you don't necessarily have you're not necessarily in a position where you can just risk losing 10K on learning. You need to actually have the right platform and the right system. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact blueprint that I use step by step to get from 0 to 50K pipeline using nothing but organic LinkedIn strategies, right? Now, this has been the same type of strategy that's taken me to over 55,000 followers all organically on LinkedIn with 10 million impressions last year. And has got our clients with calendars that look full like this with qualified prospects. Same with their LinkedIn inboxes filled with qualified prospects, and Stripe dashboards that look like this based on the payments they're receiving from the types of clients that they're attracting. Now, one of the challenges with paid ads that many people can fall into is the fact that paid ads, they can drive traffic and leads. They can also scale a proven offer, but the thing is they can also be very expensive, complex, and risky, especially if you're just starting out and you don't actually have a proven funnel yet. So most service providers who end up trying to run ads, they could lose money before they really figure it out, and they can burn through 5, 10, 20K basically trying to crack the code. And by the time they get there, they give up, they're broke, frustrated, and convinced that their offer doesn't work. But the thing is, the problem isn't actually the offer. The problem is that they tried to scale before they had a system that was already working. So the real alternative is actually LinkedIn, because on LinkedIn, you don't need ad spend. You don't actually need technical expertise or to hire a media buyer to learn how to run campaigns. You just need a proven system and consistency in your execution. And the best part, because you're not spending money on ads, every lead that you generate is basically pure profit. And you're not trying to then recoup those ad costs, and you're not stressing about your cost per lead. You're basically building a pipeline that grows every single month. And this is the power of organic LinkedIn lead gen, and it's the blueprint that I'm going to walk through with you right now. So the real thing I want you to focus on is a 12-week process divided into 4 phases. So the first phase is the foundation phase, which is really weeks 1 and 2. Really just getting your profile off the ground, defining your ideal customer profile, and mapping out your content strategy. The second phase is the content phase, weeks 3 through to 6. And this is where you start posting organic content that actually attracts your ideal clients and positions you as the expert. The third phase is the engagement phase. So this is weeks 7 through to 10. And this is where you start engaging strategically with your ideal clients and building relationships at scale. And then you've got the fourth phase, which is the conversion phase, which is weeks 11 and 12. So this is where you activate your funnel and start converting connections into book calls and paying clients. So by the end of 12 weeks, you'll have 50K in pipeline at least without spending a single dollar on ads. So we'll dive into each phase here. So I mentioned the first phase is the foundation phase. And the first thing you need to do is just optimize your LinkedIn profile, because your profile is basically a sales page. It needs to speak directly to your ideal client's pain, demonstrate your authority, and include a clear call to action. The next thing is you need to define your ICP, your ideal client profile. So who exactly are you trying to attract, and what problems do they have? What language do they use to describe those problems? And finally, you need to map out your content pillars. So what are 3 to 5 core topics that you're going to talk about? What framework, strategies, and insights are you then going to share? Now, this foundational work is critical, because if you skip it, everything else will fall apart. But if you do it right, the rest of the blueprint will become incredibly easy. Now, phase 2 is the content phase. So this is weeks 3 through to 6. Now it's time to actually start posting, but you're not just posting randomly. You're using a strategic 3-post framework. Now, you've got authority posts. So these are the posts where you share framework, strategies, and insights that prove that you know your stuff. And the goal is to build credibility. Then you've got agitation posts. So these are the posts where you call out all of the problems your ideal clients are facing, and you expose blind spots and create urgency. The third thing is then invitation posts. So these are the posts where you offer the next step. So this might be a free resource, a training, a case study, and this moves people into your funnel. So you basically rotate through these 3 types of posts, posting 3 to 4 times a week. And over the course of 4 weeks, you'll start building an audience of the right people. Now, let me be clear about what your content should actually accomplish. What you want to do is make sure that your content is actually educating your audience. It should teach them something valuable that they can use immediately. So your content should demonstrate your expertise. It should make people think, wow, this person really knows what they're talking about. And the content should attract your ideal clients. It should speak directly to their pain points and make them feel like you're reading their mind. And finally, your content should really position you as the obvious choice. So by the time someone's ready to hire an expert, they should think of you first. And this is really what strategic content does. And this is why it works so well on LinkedIn. Now, the third phase is then the engagement phase. So now that you've been posting consistently for a few weeks, it's time to basically start engaging strategically. So the first thing you need to do is identify 50 to 100 ideal clients on LinkedIn. These are the people who fit your ICP perfectly, the exact types of people that you want to work with. Then you engage with their content each and every day. So leave thoughtful comments, ask questions, and actually add value to their conversations. The goal here is simple: get on their radar and build relationships at scale. Because when you show up consistently in their feed, they start to recognize your name, they start to check out your profile, and they start to consume your content. Now, here's the key to the engagement strategy: quality over quantity. You're not trying to engage with hundreds of random people. You're focusing on 10 to 15 meaningful interactions each day with your ideal client. So you're not just liking posts, you're actually leaving thoughtful comments that add value and demonstrate your expertise. And you're also not trying to close deals in the comments. You're actually just planting seeds, building relationships, and positioning yourself as someone worth paying attention to. Now, over the course of 4 weeks, this strategy will start to compound. You'll start showing up everywhere and your ideal clients will start reaching out to you. Now, the fourth phase is then the conversion phase. So by this point, you would have actually built an audience. You'd have positioned yourself as an expert and engaged with your ideal clients. And now it's time to activate your funnel. So you do this by offering a free resource like a guide, a training video, a checklist, a case study, something that provides immediate value and demonstrates your expertise even further. So you promote this resource through your posts, your comments, your direct messages. And when people download that resource, they then enter your email funnel. And this is when you can move them from a connection to a lead. So that funnel could look like someone downloads your free resource and that captures their email. They then go into an email nurture sequence that continues to build trust and it positions your offer. Now, at the end of the sequence, they're then directed to a video sales letter that explains your offer and the transformation that it delivers and how it works. And that video sales letter handles all the objections, it builds urgency, and it ends with a clear call to action, which is to book a call. This is where the conversion then happens. And because you built so much trust through your content and your engagement, the conversion rate will be much, much higher. So the funnel basically does the selling for you. You're not chasing people. You're not pitching in DMs. You're just guiding qualified buyers through a proven process. So what happens after 12 weeks is that you'll still have 50 qualified leads in your funnel. You'll be in a situation where people would have consumed your content, downloaded your resource, and actively are considering your offer. You'll have over 20 book calls with serious buyers. These aren't tire kickers. These are decision makers with real problems and real budgets. And you'll have over 50K in your pipeline. So that's the total value of the opportunities that you would have generated, all without spending $1 on ads. And this is the power of being able to go from 0 to 50K through this blueprint. It's a proven system really for any B2B service provider who's willing to execute consistently. So I do want to leave you with the 3 principles to make this work. The first is consistency beats perfection. The second is strategy beats volume. And the third is that organic beats paid when it's done right. And now I've just basically shown you a small piece of what we call the Influx Autopilot system, which is the same system we use to generate $50,000 in net new pipeline for our clients in 90 days or less. That's part of our guarantee. So if you do want to see the full framework, the real content templates, the engagement strategies, and the true funnels that turn LinkedIn connections into clients, then I want you to just click the link I'm going to leave in the description box below of this video, where there's a free training video, a free breakdown that you can watch that will explain this in a bit more detail. And if you did gain value from watching this particular video, please do take a second to like it, comment, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one.